Hey y'all, my name is Sarah, and I just got my poppers about a week or so ago. It's been going great. Um, a little embarrassed to show my natural teeth, but just so you can get uh, sort of how big a difference it is, um, I'm definitely willing to go there. So basically, um, don't have the best teeth. Haven't had them since I was a kid. Haven't had good teeth since I was a kid. Basically, every single time I went to the dentist, I would have a cavity. And to be fair, I sort of neglected going to the dentist as I got to be an adult just because I was just really tired of getting bad news literally every single time without fail. Still needs some work. It's going to need a lot of work, actually. So if I could go back in time and tell my younger self, hey, don't neglect your teeth, I definitely would. But since I can't, just going to make the best of it. And this is a good first step. I would cover my mouth when I would laugh or smile. I'd smile without teeth, basically. So I like to laugh and smile a lot. So that was really, really hard. And I've been basically doing that for about a year or so now. Basically, my worst nightmare was my front teeth breaking. And that's what happened. You can see I don't have any of my four front teeth. They're all broken, basically unusable. And I've had a lot of tooth pain in the past and all that jazz, but as of now, they're just most of my top teeth are either I had two pulled. I have a couple molars, or a few molars, I should say, that are still pretty usable, thankfully. But other than that, they're all just broken, and it's pretty bad. So I thought I'd give this a try. I was really nervous at first, but I thought, you know what? For the price, I will give it a whirl, see how it goes. It seemed like Pop on Veneers had really good customer service, so I thought if nothing else, I can always get a refund or something. But so the first day they came, and I was really nervous to put them in. Not gonna lie, at first it does feel pretty weird. Of course, you're not used to this sensation, even if you're only missing maybe like one tooth or something, or you just wanted to have whiter teeth without getting treatments, whatever the reason, doesn't matter. Having something over top of your natural teeth is a sensation that takes some getting used to, but totally worth it. It really, except for nighttime, after a full day or two of wearing them, became super easy. I still have a little bit of a hard time chewing, but again, I'm missing a lot of teeth, so it might be a little bit easier for some people, and it's really no, what's the word I'm looking for? Reflection on the product itself by any means. It's just kind of just takes some getting used to. So we're going to go ahead and pop these on in. Again, the first time we put it in, you might want to look in a mirror just because it's the first time. But now, literally just, and ta-da! You can see how natural it looks. Like, it looks like my teeth. And I can finally smile again. I can laugh without having to cover my mouth. It's been a game changer. And I really, really appreciate the company and everything that they did. I can't believe how easy this was. I mean, compared to what I will eventually need to do, or even having like glue indentures, like this is amazing. I've gotten a lot of compliments, especially my family that have known kind of my struggles with it. My dad's eyes just lit up. So that was a pretty good feeling. And the process itself, when you first pull out the kit, at least for me personally, I was like, oh boy, this seems like a lot. But really, it did not take long at all to get that done. And again, totally worth it. Trust me. If you have had any remote idea of, I'm sure you do because, you're looking into getting these, of anything that I've been going through with your smile and eating, especially getting stuck in your teeth. The outcome is totally worth it. Basically, the procedure is, you have to basically make your own mold, put it in, and then clamp your teeth around it, hold it for a little while. The first one feels really weird, but then you have 2 more tries, so you really can get the hang of it. And they took it right away, so didn't have any issues. So yeah, that's been my journey. I hope it helps y'all. And thank you for watching. And good luck on your own journey. Bye.